Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to add the Microsoft Store on Windows 11 LTSC version easily. Go to your browser and go to this link. Download file as a zip file. I have already downloaded the file. Extract the zip file. Click Add Store and run as administrator. Now search Microsoft Store. Click Update now. See Microsoft Store added successfully and working well. That's it. Enjoy. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and share my videos with your friends. Thank you.